Welcome YouTube. Tonight we have a little FYI fun fact for everybody out there whose laptop or PC has gone down or their computer has crashed on them. Well, I'm here today to show you guys what the inside of your computer looks like and how to fix certain things on your laptop that not very many people can and will do. So, like, let's say your computer has done crashed and there's nothing you can do about it. You don't have any tools, you don't have the parts for it, or whatnot. Well, I am here to show you guys that you can find other laptops and make a certain thing work, but it has to be within that specific range. So this is what I'm saying. Okay, so your computer done crashed, your hard drive is shit, and you can't do nothing and it's shot. Well, theoretically, you would think that you can take the hard drive out of that laptop and put it into another laptop and make it work. Wrong. But there is a way that I'm gonna explain here now, that there is a way that you can make that work. So instead of having to flash the hard drive like what normal people say you would have to do, you would have to flash your laptop in order for it to work for the hard drive, or flash the hard drive to make it work for the laptop. It's a little iffy. I didn't have to do that anyway. No, what I'm saying is you can take your hard drive out of your laptop and switch it. You just gotta have the right specifications, which means you have to have the right manufacturer and the same software. Even until then, it's still very rare to find the hard drive or the things to make your computer work. See, this right here was an Etronics computer. It was an Etronics laptop, and the charging port is busted. See, that's right there's the charging port, and it's screwed. Anyway, no, what I'm saying is that you can take all of that and put it in it there without flashing it. And this is what your motherboard of your laptop looks like, just for people who have no idea what they're doing. It's kind of sophisticated actually, because it takes quite a while to get into a laptop in the first place. See, there's the other laptop, and as you see, I now have the motherboard out of it. This thing is trash. Because it's right here. See, now with the people who want to learn how to fucking fix their shit, if their things are broke or you just lost something, you can't get it back, but you can fix your problem by simply swapping. So when you take your hard drive out, you want to take your picture cards out in the second place, because these picture cards actually go to your hard drive. They actually co-connect to your hard drive. So what you do is so simple, like let's say simply this laptop that I had to take apart right here. These little chips that you see that's on the side, these little things are actually picture cards that have memory. So this is what would display your information up here. So you would take that with that hard drive. Let's say this piece right here goes to that. Well, neither one of these two go to this computer. But that's what I did, is I made it interconnect. Simply by the grace of God's. The only time you can make something work like that is by having the same manufacturer. See, this laptop was an Etronics. It's powered through Windows 7. This is the HP Pavilion DV5 that's running Windows 7. So in order for you to get any of all of that to work, you would have to flash it. Wrong. Nope. You don't. Just find the right product. Because just like a car, you have your make and your model. You got Dodge, and it's a Hellcat, right? Theoretically speaking of a car, think of your laptop as your car. You got the manufacturer and the product. Here, Microsoft, Windows, HP. Microsoft, Windows, HP. But Etronics, HP. So hopefully this can fix some of your guys' problems if you're having computer faults and your shit won't work. So when you do your swapping, make sure you take your picture cards, because these picture cards range anywhere from 1 gigabyte to 3 gigabyte or 2 gigabyte. Sorry. And what I have done, instead of having this right here, is a 1 gigabyte memory. Okay, and this laptop came with 2 of them. Well, this laptop came with a 2 gigabyte, which is 2 of these put together. And what I have done is I have taken that 2 gig and have now made it a 3 gig, because I have added an additional gig. And it makes your computer run smoother and faster, if not incredibly quick, because the laptop is it's good. There's no problems with it. And what happened is this is what happened. That went out on the computer, so I had to take that out and swap it. And if you're skilled enough, like somebody like, a computer technician, you can hardwire this to make it run just by simply tapping into the power source over here, by like welding a little block or something that you can make to power up the laptop, because it has the buttons. Here's the buttons for it. There's the power and the whatnot. But hopefully I help you guys out. Peace.